Hey guys, this is Ajay. We have already seen how to create IAM user using AWS console. But differently, we are going to use Python to create IAM user. Let's explore. Open your Visual Studio and copy the code. I have attached the code below in our GitHub link. So the thing is, we are going to first initialize IAM client by importing IAM Boto 3. IAM Boto client helps us to initialize IAM client, and then we are going to give a username. Like there, we have created username. So let's create. I have created already YouTube user. So YouTube test. This is going to be our username, and that's all. We are going to save this. So I have already saved this file in my Ubuntu, like import boto3.py. So go to your Ubuntu and you have to initialize AWS. We have already initialized the password. We already have access key and everything. Type pwd command to check the directory. We are in Nisha folder and ls to search our imported py file. We have import boto3 py file here. So to execute this file, we have to type Python 3 py Python 3, and then the name of the folder. If you press tab, then automatically it will find that folder. See, and then if you enter, wait for a few seconds. As per our script, this is our response. We have created YouTube test, and the error is here. So let's check in the Amazon AWS console. So refresh this page. See, we have YouTube user created. That's all, guys. Thank you.